Editing PDF files made easy. PDF files are a well-known format for documents nowadays. However, some applications cannot edit these files. In this video, I'll show you how to edit PDF files. Not only will I cover editing, but I'll also demonstrate how to convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PPT, image, and many more formats. Getting started. First, you'll need to have Wondershare PDFelement installed on your PC. Just search for it on Google and download it for free, or message me for assistance. If you already have the application installed, you can now start editing your PDF files. Editing your PDF files. Find your PDF files and open them with Wondershare PDFelement. Watch and follow along as I demonstrate the editing process. By the end of this video, you'll have learned how to edit PDF files. Thanks for watching.